Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to go to director mode to 5 and GTA 5. So what you want to do first is, you guys see? What you guys want to do first is, go to pause and Rockstar Editor, director mode, and there. This isn't too hard, but I just need to show you. I'm just gonna show you, like, I'm not gonna show you gameplay, but I'm gonna show you, like, if first it shows up like this, you might go like, hey, this is director mode or whatever. Just got actors. See, I got dog. That's the only thing I have. Beach bums. So this guy and all this. This here, when I was playing as Trevor. I think it's him. Yeah. So yeah, heist. You can't even be heist characters. I think that's cool. And these guys, you can make them female as well. Female. So yeah, see you next episode. Bye. Me playing a little bit of it.